I don't usually do kitchen unboxing, but today I'm using my amazing foolhardy foliage soul taker to open a package that came to me from Belgium. From the incomparable Diablo, also known as Master Ziggy. Oh my lord, I'm so excited about this. Okay, so this is the El Diablo stick. This is something Master Ziggy gave to me as a gift. You see here the younger Futhark, all 16 runes carved into the stick. Place for grip, a lanyard that's removable, which gives you a bunch of paracord here. Now, look at this beautiful stick. Beautiful. This is going to come with me on many journeys. So, this is just a quick peek at this amazing walking stick. I will do a full review coming up, but oh my gosh, this is a beautiful piece of kit. This is gonna walk with me and my dogs everywhere we go. Master Ziggy, I cannot thank you enough for the beautiful gift you have given me. I'm gonna post this right away, and I'll send a link to Cane Fighters International, which is Master Ziggy's system, and you can see the amazing products this man makes. He is an artist. Included in this is Master Ziggy's DVD. Guy Dero, thank you so much. I really appreciate this. Master Guy Dero, sorry. I'm going to be going through this, and I'll do a review on this as well, but this will take more time. Take a moment to enjoy the details of this thing. El Diablo is beautiful. Look at that. Even my initials carved in here with the Cane Fighters International logo. Grips. I love the smell of the finish. This is absolutely gorgeous. I'm not going to bang this too much because it's just too pretty, but I am going to test it. I have to. I don't want to damage it. But I'll put it through its paces a little bit. So there will be a follow-up to this video. But Master Guy, Master Ziggy, this is a piece of art. This is a weapon, an ambulatory tool, and a piece of art. It is multifunctional. So gorgeous. So beautiful. Thank you.